from the city of Denton. This is a DTV Newsbreak.
Hi, I'm Devin Mobley, the photographer and editor for the city of Denton. What that essentially means is I capture and edit a lot of the content you see coming out of Denton TV, such as the Made in Denton documentary series, and this is DTV Newsbreak. The All-Walk Crosswalk pilot program continues on the courthouse square. Remember that drivers can no longer turn during a red light at any of the 4 intersections. The no turn on red signs are clearly posted at these locations. Please go to cityofdenton.com/allwalk for more information. Do you enjoy clean water delivered right to your faucet? Lights coming on when needed, and roads with structure and safety in mind? All these were designed by engineers. February 16th through the 22nd is National Engineers Week, and the city of Denton employs some of the brightest minds out there.
Being an engineer with the city of Denton is extremely exciting. We're responsible for keeping the water safe to drink and making sure that our toilets flush every single day.
Working for DME has been challenging and rewarding, and lots of good things, I'd say. Probably the busiest I've ever been, and probably the most rewarding.
I'm a civil engineer, which, civil means for the community. So it's fulfilling that almost everything I do impacts the community, and being able to drive around sometimes and see projects or show my children, Mommy did that, is kind of satisfying.
There are many environments in which engineers can develop an expertise, but it does take hard work to get there.
I think today's engineer has to be a little bit more than years past. I think we have to be statesmen, problem solvers, compromisers at times.
Well, I'm a UNT alumni. I got my electrical engineering degree from there.
A Bachelor of Science degree in Civil Engineering from the University of Texas at Arlington. And then I also have a master's degree from the University of North Texas in Public Administration.
When I was really little, I watched the space shuttles going up, and my dad said they have a lot of pilots. If you want to be an astronaut, you should be an engineer.
Definitely pursue it. It's, civil engineering and engineering in general. There's so many fields. It's not really just one thing. What I do is mostly drainage, and I used to do a lot more transportation, but, the umbrella that civil covers is immense. If you're into environmental, if you're into structural, if you're really good with chemistry, there's just something for anyone that's interested.
If you want to start thinking like an engineer and learn some money-saving tips in the process, we have the event for you. Denton Municipal Electric is having an energy efficiency workshop on Wednesday, March 4th from 6 to 7 in the evening at the Denton Civic Center. This free event is designed for you to learn more about energy efficiency and conservation, including information on resources and rebates available to Denton residents. That does it for this time. I'm Devin Mobley. Thanks for watching. You can catch more city videos at youtube.com, and remember to follow us on Twitter and Facebook.